Alright guys, hopefully you first watched the first video where we did these examples. Now what I want you to do is either A, send a picture either by texting it. Every one of your parents has my phone number and can text it. Or if you want to take a picture and then upload it and email it to me, that's fine. This unit, I am requiring you to show me work. I will not accept just an answer. If you send me just 2 equals M, I will give you a 0 for that assignment. I must see the work. Now, if neither of those options work for you, I can put a box outside the school, and your parents are welcome to come up after school hours and turn it into the box up there. That's fine. I'll have a lid on it. Just let me know if that's what option you want to do. But I need this turned in. So today is Thursday, the 8th. I want this turned in by Monday. And this is a grade, just copying down the notes. All right, thank you.